Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products with an expert's eye. Today, we're reviewing the Bon Vital Multi-Purpose Massage Cream. If you're someone who appreciates a good massage, whether it's for relaxation or to soothe sore muscles, this professional-grade cream could be just what you need. We'll look at what makes it stand out, its real-world performance, and whether it's worth the investment. Bon Vital is known for their high-quality massage products, and this 5-gallon pail of their best-selling cream is no exception. It's designed to provide a rich, smooth glide during massages, while also nourishing and hydrating the skin. The formula is packed with ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, and a blend of essential vitamins that support healthy skin and muscle relaxation. But how does it hold up in everyday use? Let's break it down. When I first started using this cream, I was immediately impressed by its rich texture. It's thick and luxurious, but surprisingly easy to apply. The formula has a light whipped consistency, giving it the right balance between a cream and an oil. It's like the best of both worlds, smooth and slippery enough for an easy glide, yet still offering some friction for deeper tissue work. This is great for Swedish, deep tissue, or sports massages, where you want a bit more control over the pressure and movement. What really sets this massage cream apart is how well it performs across different types of massages. Whether I was doing a quick, relaxing Swedish massage, or something more intense like a deep tissue session, the product handled it effortlessly. The aloe vera and jojoba oil help hydrate and protect the skin, leaving it feeling moisturized without any sticky residue. I didn't have to worry about reapplying the cream mid-session, and the glide was smooth and consistent throughout. In terms of scent, the Bon Vital cream has a subtle lemon and sage fragrance. It's not overpowering at all, just a gentle hint of freshness that doesn't interfere with the relaxation experience. And if you prefer an unscented product, no worries. There's also a version without fragrance, which can be more ideal for clients with scent sensitivities. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this cream delivers on its promises. It has a fantastic glide, is easy to clean up, it's water dispersible, and feels great on the skin. The fact that it's enriched with vitamins and oils means it's not just providing a soothing massage experience, but also treating your skin in the process. Plus, with it being paraben-free, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, it checks all the boxes for conscious consumers. However, there are a couple of things worth noting. First, the 5-gallon pail is definitely on the larger side. If you're not using this for professional purposes or regular massages, it may be more than you need. The price is on the higher end too, but considering the size and quality, it's understandable. That said, for those with a smaller budget or a preference for more compact options, there are alternatives that might be more practical. As for value for money, this product definitely offers it. If you're a professional massage therapist, this could last you for a long time, making it a worthwhile investment. For personal use though, the quantity might be excessive unless you do frequent massages or share the product with others. Comparing it to other products on the market, there are certainly cheaper massage creams out there, but many of them sacrifice quality or performance. Bon Vital has established itself as a go-to brand for a reason. The blend of ingredients is superior, and it offers a level of performance that lower-priced options may not match. Looking at the build quality, the packaging is well designed. The 5-gallon pail is large, but the pump feature makes dispensing easy and hygienic, which is a nice touch. Plus, it's designed to last, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you're concerned about customer support, Bon Vital has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. In case you run into any issues, their customer service team is known to be quick to resolve any problems. To sum up, the Bon Vital Multi-Purpose Massage Cream is a high-quality, versatile product that excels in its performance. Whether you're a professional therapist or someone who just loves a good at-home massage, it provides excellent glide, hydration, and skin benefits. While the 5-gallon size and the price may be more suited to professionals, it's a solid investment for anyone who values quality. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.